welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, magre-review po tayo ulit ng isang product. At ang product na yon ay no other than this Pixie Dust Liptint Tint by KC Meiux. So if you want to know my thoughts about this product, then please keep on watching. Anyway, thank you so much Miss Casey for sending me the all 10 shades of your Liptint Tints collection. And anyway guys, wala na patumpik pa. Mag-start na tayo. So, ang claims ng kanilang Liptint Tint, it's organic. I mean 100% organic, no bitter taste, long-lasting, fruity-scented, and it's semi-gel based. Then ang ingredients, water, FD flavor essence, colorant, and glycerin, and also aloe vera extract. Mag-start lang ako sa lightest shade, and ang kanilang lightest shade is in the shade Pixie Glimmer. Isa-swatch pa lang siya sa likod ng kamay ko para makita nyo kung gaano siya ka-pigment. Ayan guys, orangey siya, and tingnan natin kung blendable. Wow, blendable. Perfect for cheek tints to guys. Then, itry naman natin tong glimmer sa lips. Next is in the shade Slush. Next is in the shade Dewy. Next is in the shade Chloe. Next is in the shade Tinkerbell. Next is in the shade Zarina. Next is in the shade Sweet Pea. Next is in the shade Periwinkle. Next is in the shade Bliss. And last but not the least, in the shade Silver Mist. So my final thoughts about this product, guys, ang ganda niya guys. Kung napapansin nyo, every time na magpapalit ako ng color, gumagrabe yung pigment ng labi ko. Kasi guys, sobrang hirap niya tanggalin. For the longevity, siguro 5/5 kasi super hirap na talaga tanggalin. Struggle talaga guys. Then for the pigment, grabe, super pigmented niya. Then, sobrang sarap pa niya. Para siyang candy, wala siyang bitter taste guys. Then, guys, I will score this Liptint Tints a 10 out of 10. Guys, hindi sa pagiging biased, pero sobrang ganda talaga ng outcome nitong product na to sa lips ko. And also, very, very affordable lang siya. As far as I know, it's only 29 pesos. So, kung gusto nyo guys order, you can order it sa Shopee account ni Miss Casey. So, for the giveaway mechanics, 3 rules lang guys. Number 1, you must subscribe to my channel. Number 2, i-follow nyo si Miss Casey Meiux sa kanyang Shopee account. Ilalagay ko na lang yung link ng Shopee account niya sa description box. Then number 3, i-screenshot nyo, then i-send nyo sa Facebook ko sa Messenger. Then, yung i-draw ko yung winners on June 9, Saturday, mga 5 p.m. Tatlong winners po ang meron tayo sa giveaway na to. The first and second winner, mananalo po sila ng 3 pieces Liptint chick tints. Then yung third winner, siya po ang makakakuha ng 4 pieces na Liptint chick tints. So that's it guys for this video. Thank you so much guys for watching. If hindi pa po kayo nakakapag-subscribe, please subscribe me and also comment down below kung meron po kayong request for my next video. So, yun lang! Bye!